sound like a pro charger. Breaking his neck. Oh shit. Cover sound crazy, bro. On the side of the road.
When you hear them scats and Hellcats, get out the way, bitch. Mozzie let me slide the cat, I told him I'ma break it. Launch control in the track, hawk feel like a spaceship. Drop my second mirror at 21, now I ain't basic. Niggas mad, they talk behind my back, they better face it. Grinding every day until a nigga really make it. Caught us up in traffic, 12 thought that we was racing. 12 thought they had us cause the whips, we was driving fast. Rest in peace, Tavy, my little bro, he always did the dash. Quick to put my money in the bank, ain't never had to flash. I don't even need the gang around me, I be acting bad. I never really drink or like to party, but the game do. Let the money change, other niggas don't let it change you. My last two was yellow, but I rapped it, they thought it came blue. When I got that call on Tavy, I'm like it's A-True. Broke the streets up, the whole city know our names now. You was hating on me, why the f*** you in my face now?
What's going on, real fam? Welcome back to another video. Damn, you heard that bitch? He just messed the video up. But yeah, welcome back to another video, man. If you new, my name is Taz, man. Y'all see what we got going on today. If y'all been here, y'all already know what car this is. This is the Whipple 5.0 that I raced a few months ago. The most viewed video for my channel is really from this car, so I know y'all like this car, but y'all see the hood is off of it. So wait, would you take it off when you have to get something done? Or just cuz? Okay, see, he doing some stuff. It ain't no telling what he doing because he be secret, bro. I don't know why he always on some secretive shit. So if he finna do something, it's gonna be crazier than what it already is. So y'all go ahead and leave a comment. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this thing. We'll be doing a quick little ride along. I know when I did my POV nighttime drive, I told y'all that I was gonna give y'all a ride and it's Whipple 5.0. And the reason why is because the Camaro is different than the Mustangs, you know, when you gotta shift with the RPMs and all that. And I just want y'all to see that. And another reason why I don't really think I've been in the car this fast, for real. This might be the fastest car I ever been in. I'm gonna have them start it up real quick so y'all can hear it. Then we gonna get on the road.
You don't do that because of the hood.
Nah, yeah, you can't even start it up. You got the hood off of it. But this bitch too loud. I heard you all the way passing my crib, bro. That shit is too loud, bro. Like, no exaggeration. People be thinking my car loud, but this thing is loud as hell, bro. So what you got, the full exhaust headers, 2-inch headers? Full exhaust, MBR.
No, 2-inch headers and 3-inch flow.
Okay, so he got the 2-inch headers. The headers is MBRP? I didn't know they made headers. Catalyst. So he got the Catalyst MBRP headers with the Catalyst, not Catalyst, but the MBRP exhaust too. So if y'all wondering what exhaust that is, I just told y'all, any Mustang people, y'all like how it sound, y'all better go get this set up because I fuck with it heavy, y'all. I really like how it sound. But yeah, man, I'm finna set this GoPro and we finna hit the road. So I'm gonna see y'all as soon as we hop in this thing, man. Buckle up.
Yeah.
Why it be beeping?
Yeah. Your shit don't beep?
No, Camaro, that's one good thing. It just don't beep at all.
You must have a cheat code on it.
It said cheat code. I ain't gonna lie, them stars. Bustin', you can see as soon as I cut the camera. Yeah, y'all see we finally in this thing, man. I had to go grab the little twisting piece for the GoPro. If y'all got a GoPro, y'all know how I get. You gotta keep every little piece for the camera. You said what? We could only get in the third? It's gonna spin?
We're gonna stay in third and hopefully get to the 8,000 RPM mark. That's like a good gear.
Yeah, and that's what I was telling y'all. If y'all didn't watch that POV drive, I was explaining the difference between Camaros and Mustangs. In Camaros, we gotta shift at what, like 6K or 6,500. And these, you can literally go all the way, what, to 8,000, 8,500?
8,000 for the normal GT. The GT 350 is like 8 something. It's crazy.
That shit is fucking crazy.
The new C8 Corvette, the Z06, it shift like 85 or 83 or something. It sounds crazy though. The new Corvette, a game changer though.
With the Z06?
The C8 Z06.
Yeah.
Sound like a Ferrari.
Nah, it's facts to that bitch.
It's really not that loud, I don't think, can you?
Yeah, like, I thought it would be way more loud with said it's on tight?
It's a zip tie.
Oh, okay, okay. I see that bitch starting to come up. I'm like, bro, it's
the battery cover.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, this bitch like the top end is crazy. It just be going, bro. What you just get to right there?
155, I think it was. I didn't really. I'm supposed to look at the boost gauge right now because I'm trying to figure out
how much boost you getting.
Well, normally I get around 14, 13.
See that
with
boost
the 3.5,
gauge?
the 3.5 pulley.
Yeah.
I took the hood off, the cap, and cold air. Cold air help it for sure.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I'm gonna get out and fix that.
For sure. Yeah, I seen that bitch coming up. I'm like, yeah, that bitch like it was trying to fly off. This would be a hard little thumbnail on the side of the road. I'm definitely finna hop on and get one. That's gonna be raw.
Clear.
That bitch sound crazy, bro. So what, you got a smaller upper than what you had?
Before, yeah.
Okay.
But I'm putting a 10 rev setup on 3.0.
Oh, okay, that's what you're doing? Okay, for sure. That thing sounds crazy, boy. Let me get a thumbnail. You can fuck around and post this on your Instagram. It'd be a good ass picture.
Oh, that's a simple picture too.
I don't know why, but like every time niggas post pictures on the side of the road, them bitches go viral. Let me get some from this side too.
Even niggas in the comments when nigga broke down.
Oh God. Alright, y'all, back in the Mustang. Had to get out. Bro, I had to make sure his cover was tightened up. You said that's the battery cover?
Yeah, I knew it was gonna happen. I put a zip tire on it.
Your battery right there?
Yeah.
Actually, usually our mine's in the trunk.
Chargers are too. I think I'm gonna relocate it, put it in the trunk, but I think I'm about to get that ice tank. So
yeah, wouldn't it go right there? Oh, you could put an ice tank in the back too.
Yeah. Oh, look at this boy.
Black man. We going to the city. Dick sucking. Oh my God.
He about to try to flick us for 10. I got my script now.
I'm about to say, you got your script, you good. Look at him. He really doing the most. Like, he's like braking, just sitting there.
I'm trying to see where I'm gonna go.
Yeah, he literally trying to look. Now he finna hit a U-turn.
Trying to see if I'm gonna get on the highway.
And that's why, look, and that's why I like vlogging, bro. Look, you see how slow that U-turn was? Yo, he just hit a whole U-turn, bro. This is exactly why I like vlogging, bro, because he's finna look so dumb.
Put those screws on out.
Yeah, just see what he do. At that point, you going out your way. I'm glad I got all this on video, because we just sitting here. He breaking his neck as he riding past, y'all. We see him hitting his brake. He don't know where we finna go, so he waiting to see what we're doing just for him to turn around. I don't even see him.
He probably thinks we're gonna get on the highway.
That shit is sad, bro. Like, he literally was waiting for us to turn. As soon as we turned, he hit his lights, and it looked like he tried to do a U-turn. And he must have got on the highway thinking you got on.
Yeah,
I didn't see his lights, though.
He turned them on, but then he turned them off real quick because he's trying to hit a UE. He saw traffic real quick.
Yeah, now you suck for that one, but I hope you see this. You definitely suck for that one.
Yeah, he got on the highway.
Oh my gosh, this bitch is so crazy, bro. It rides so smooth, bro, to be that fast. Bro, that shit sound like a Pro Charger.
They're looking like, what the fuck?
Yeah, they hear. He probably like it. You know, all the white people love the Mustangs. Yeah, he do. He was breaking his neck. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. How do it go and it starts to spin, bro, like mid-gear? This bitch is crazy.
That suspension work do a lot though. Like I can spin, but I can still spin straight.
Yeah.
If it was like a stock suspension, the rear independent, it will all over the place.
Yeah.
So that's why Mustangs be hitting shit, because they just swerve one way. You can probably control yours too, because you got a solid rear.
Yeah, for sure.
What is that? Big ass bird.
A crow. Eating the damn rabbit. Rest in peace, bro.
Disrespect.
Man. What is this? I don't remember ever being back here.
Road, Spring Arbor Road. We're in Spring Arbor Township.
I don't know what the hell is going on with my GoPro, man. I'm really getting tired of the GoPro. I'm damn near finna sell both of them and get a new one, because y'all look. It's not turning on, it's not beeping or nothing. It was 80% when I left the crib. Ain't no way GoPro just died that fast, bro, from 80%. So y'all leave a comment, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this 5.0. I'm gonna see you on the next one, man. I'm on.